I've had a lot of individuals who are going through the immigration process ask me recently, what should I be worried about? How should I prepare? And how can I protect myself? Hi, I'm attorney Megan Pastrana of Immigration for Couples, and my firm is dedicated exclusively to helping couples across the nation and across the world in navigating the U.S. immigration process. And I want to talk to you today about your rights. So, all persons living in the United States, including undocumented immigrants, have certain constitutional rights. And it's very important to understand. And I've really been asked these questions from individuals who are in a status of limbo with a work permit, and then others who are undocumented that are concerned about having contact with immigration. And what do I do if I have contact with immigration? So it's very important to know your rights, and I want to review those with you here today. So the very first one is that you do not have to open the door. So if immigration comes to your door, you do not have to open the door. And it's important to understand that an ICE deportation warrant is different than a search warrant that has your name and address and is signed by a judge. So asking that officer to slide that under the door and make sure it has your name and your address and that it's signed by a judge. And then from there, you can decide whether or not to open the door. The second is that you have a right to remain silent. So if this immigration agent it has questions for you about your immigration history and where you were born, you have the right to remain silent. You don't have to answer those questions. And you can say, I'm exercising my right to remain silent. And last but not least, most important, you have the right to speak to an immigration attorney. If you already have an immigration attorney, it's a good idea to have those receipt notices from your case. And there's a form G28 that an immigration attorney has to file with immigration. That just says that they are your attorney. If you have that, you can give that to immigration, or you can just say, I want to speak with my attorney. It's very important to speak with your attorney and not sign any documents that they give you. I know that this is overwhelming, and in the moment, it would be very scary and hard to remember all of these things. And so the American Immigration Lawyers Association has Know Your Rights cards that we are going to share with you and make available that you can print. You can have at home, you can have it in your wallet, you can have it in lots of places. And then if that moment comes, you can show them that card and it has your rights on it so you know you're protected. If you'd like to learn more about the immigration process, I invite you to my free resource center at immigrationforcouples.com. Thanks for watching.